Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and maybe some old PC users here might remember what happened way back 28 years ago. 28 years ago. A operating system that changed the PC world forever. A release of Windows that people were actually waiting in line at computer stores to get their hands on. August 24th. Yep, August 24th. 28 years ago. That's August 24th, 1995. Windows 95 was released and launched. The budget behind the promotion, $300 million. It had the Empire State Building change its colors to the colors of the START logo. It had the CN Tower in Toronto have a huge banner with the START button. It had, of course, the Rolling Stones song Start Me Up. The promotion was there, and it was a huge launch. It was the first time and put Microsoft's operating system in that hype that Apple is capable of. And pretty amazing. I remember back then I was still hybrid. In 95, believe it or not, although I did have a PC, I did not have yet a PC that was capable of running Windows 95. I was running Windows 3.1. And I really needed a new PC if I wanted to run 95. So I held on to 3.1, but I also was using a Amiga computer. So I was kind of hybrid between PC and Amiga back in the day. But eventually came up with my first PC that ran Windows 95. Then 98, I remember the Pentium that I had with 98 on it, and then running Millennium and so on. Good memories. Good old days of, playing around with PCs and mostly desktops back in the day. And, my desktop cover was never on because I was always tweaking and changing hardware. It's kind of the fun of it, too. Something that we kind of lost a little bit today. You still can. You still can, buy a desktop and still tweak and play around. And I'm sure some of you out there do. But, boy, has this changed. We went from this to people just ranting at Windows 10 and 11 and 12 and whatever. We've come a long way, 28 years. Incredible how time flies. So did you run Windows 95? The question of the day. Did you like it? And how was your feel? What did you buy on the first day? Or you got it with a new PC? Put that in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.